Hello viewers, DV Zealand presents NTSE SSC exam preparation, Social Studies, Bid Bank, Multiple Choice Questions, SAT 14th video. Class 10, Chapter 5, Indian Rivers and Water Resources, Part 1. Question number 1. About dash percentage of the total water on the earth is used for domestic purposes. Correct answer 5%. Question number 2. Dash hectares of land in India is flood prone and an equally large part of the country is also drought prone. Correct answer 40 million. Question number 3. The drainage river system in India has evolved and adjusted itself with the evolution of this physiographic unit. Correct answer all the above. The Himalayas, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Question number 4. Which of the following is not one of the three principal systems of the Himalayan rivers? Correct answer, the Godavari. Question number 5. The Himalayan rivers are perennial due to the rivers are supplied on correct answer rainfall and the melting snow. Question number 6. The Indus originates in the northern slopes of the Dash range in Tibet near Lake Manasarova. Correct answer Kailash. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a tributary of the Indus in India? Correct answer Yamuna. Question number 8. The main source of the Ganges is the Gangotri Glacier, where it is called. Correct answer Bhagirathi. Question number 9. The other source of the Ganges is the Satopant Glacier towards the northwest of Badrinath, where it is called. Correct answer Alaknanda. Question number 10. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda join at Dash to form the Ganga river and emerges from the hills of Haridwar. Correct answer Devaprayag. Question number 11. The Brahmaputra rises from the snout of the Dash glacier of the Kailash range near Manasarova. Correct answer Chemayungdong. Question number 12. Brahmaputra enters India through the state of. Correct answer Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 13. Which of the following is correct about Brahmaputra river? Correct answer all the above. Called as Sangpo in Tibet, Dibang and Lohit are its tributaries. It flows in Assam Valley. Question number 14. Most of the major peninsular rivers flow from Dash. Correct answer west to east. Question number 15. The Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken and Son originating in the northern part of the peninsular plateau belong to the dash river system. Correct answer Ganga. Question number 16. The characteristic of peninsular rivers. Correct answer all the above. A fixed course, absence of meanders, largely non-perennial flow of water. Question number 17. The following is not a major river system of the peninsular drainage. Correct answer the Indus. Question number 18. The largest peninsular river system is. Correct answer the Godavari. Question number 19. The Godavari originates at dash near Nasik in Maharashtra. Correct answer Trayambak. Question number 20. The Krishna is the second largest east flowing peninsular river which rises near. Correct answer Mahabaleshwar. Question number 21. The Mahanadi rises near Sihawa in Chhattisgarh and runs through. Correct answer Odisha. Question number 22. The Narmada originates near dash in Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer Amarkantak. Question number 23. The Tapati or Tapi originates from. Correct answer Multai. Question number 24. The example for west flowing river is. Correct answer the Narmada and the Tapati. Thanks for watching.